PlantingTree's pink cotton candy muhly grass is truly unique. It blooms a breathtaking pink mist that adds an absolutely stunning highlight to your landscape. Not only is the pink cotton candy muhly grass a showy softener for your yard, it's super low maintenance and fast growing. Our pink cotton candy muhly grass grows in zones 6 through 9, requires full sun, adaptable soil, and watered regularly. When fully grown, the pink muhly grass will reach 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. The breathtaking pink mist blooms late summer through fall. PlantingTree offers a 1 gallon and a 3 gallon size. A unique ornamental grass with gorgeous color, easy to maintain, fast growing, and so versatile. What more could you ask for in a plant? Order yours today at PlantingTree.com.